Historians and sociologists alike reflect on the world's past mistakes. They begin to question how small groups were able to mobilize entire populations to behave the same way as them. This question is extremely prevalent following World War II, and the use of propaganda is partly to blame. We hear about propaganda a lot when discussing negative events, but what exactly does it mean? Dictionary.com defines it as information, especially of a biased or misleading nature, used to promote or publicize a particular political cause or point of view. The reality is, when all wars take place, propaganda will exist on both sides to gather support for that cause. The Nazi Party was especially reliant on propaganda to propel its success. Because media was state-controlled, Hitler was able to release images, newspapers, and books that portrayed the Jewish, Roma, disabled, and elderly populations as backstabbing, ugly, inconveniences, and even animal-like. Through propaganda, the Nazi Party was able to capture support from the German population, which was necessary to begin the Second World War. The Soviet Union also used propaganda in the Cold War. The Soviet Union promoted communism through propaganda. Following World War II, many were hesitant towards the Soviet control after the horror that had occurred just a few years back. Propaganda presented communism as a wonderful life, one of happiness and prosperity. This too was an illusion, as communism under Soviet rule was problematic for most who lived through it.